On this week's Working in the Valley, Dr. Jason and Dr. Terry are back with me from the Robinson Smile Center in Robinson, Illinois. And gentlemen, I know a lot of people work really hard at keeping their bodies in shape and doing those kind of things to look good and stay healthy, but sometimes we forget about our teeth. Dr. Terry, tell me a little bit about how we should go about our life with having healthier looking teeth.
Well, the first thing is brush them. Somebody once told me you only need to brush the ones you want to keep the rest of your life, Doug. So that's probably the best idea, is get that brush in there. I often tell people just stand a little bit closer to it every day, a couple times, minimum of 2 times a day. But honest to goodness, Doug, how do we, cut our cost for dental costs? That's one of the things that is a big issue today. Somebody told me once that buy the cheapest things in any dental office that they've got. And preventions, regular cleanings is definitely that. There's a lot of little aids out there today that we're using that can cut the need for dentistry down substantially. And Jason's got some good information on a couple things right here.
Dr. Jason, tell me about some of the products that you carry in your office that people can use that really will help them out.
Yeah, a couple of the fun things are mints and gums that contain xylitol. And xylitol is a natural sweetener. We've talked about it before.
Right.
That helps cut down on the ability of the bacteria to form colonies that cause cavities. And there are now products out there that come in 12 to 15 different flavors, and there's something for everybody that not only is helping you, but it's an inexpensive way to really protect your teeth.
Tell me the difference between somebody that chews xylitol gum, for example, versus just a regular gum you can buy at the local county grocery store, stand. What is how dangerous is the other, I guess is my question.
Well, there are some good general gums out there that are starting to put xylitol in it.
Okay.
The thing is that the research has all been done on 100% xylitol. And so that's where we know if you're chewing or using a mint that's 100% xylitol, you're going to lower your cavity risk 40 to 60%. That's significant savings over the course of a lifetime. Plain old gum is still going to be somewhat of a benefit unless it has sugar in it. You got to have sugar-free at the bare minimum.
Okay, and I know if you're one of those folks that likes to chew on candy, hard candies, things like that, probably not so good either, right? Yeah,
a lot of those hard candies, even the ones that are very minty and make your mouth feel like it's fresher, are sugar-based.
Yeah.
And so you've got to be careful about that, because as you're popping those in after every meal, it's just bathing the teeth in the sugar.
Yeah. So you recommend using the xylitol product, and it's available at your location, right?
Yeah, we sell a whole host of different flavors and can get pretty much any flavor in that somebody would want. And it allows a lot of convenience for people to get it right there at the office. So
you don't have to be a patient necessarily of yours to get it as well? You can just come in and buy these mints and gums right there?
Exactly. We'll sell it to anybody that wants it.
Great. And I want to get back to your recommendation, Dr. Terry, about how early should you start a child in terms of coming to the dentist and their dental care?
Well, they've always told me that anytime you get about 20 teeth in the mouth, which is 2 to 3, I've seen a 2-year-old with 10 cavities before, if you can believe that. But when you come in for a regular cleaning, bring your child along, let them watch early, and then we break them in at 3 and 4, and that makes a great dental patient for the kid and a lifelong habit to build.
So if you're watching us today and you got those little ones, get them in to see a dentist, and we can recommend the Robinson Smile Center. Tell us how they can schedule an appointment with you.
They can give us a call at 618-544-2626, and one of our ladies will be glad to set you up, and we'll be more than happy to see you.
Very good. Gentlemen, thanks again. Great information.
Thanks, Doug.